ever dream of ditching the 9 to 5 and like
Yeah.
really traveling the world, not just uh, snapping a selfie and moving on,
Right.
but really experiencing a place. Today we're going to do a deep dive into a travel hack that might just make that dream a reality.
Okay.
House and pet sitting.
Ooh, I love this.
Yeah.
This is a great topic.
To help us get there, we've
Huh?
been digging into Celeste Ramsey's YouTube channel.
Okay.
She's all about helping people travel the world without waiting for retirement. She's got some wild ideas,
Yeah, does she?
things like farm work or being an au pair.
Oh, wow.
I don't know about you, but I'm not sure I want to milk cows.
Yeah, I think I'll skip that.
Yeah, on my vacation.
Yeah, maybe not everyone's cup of tea, but
Right.
she does get at a crucial point. You have to find a travel style that fits your life.
Exactly.
And for those of us that want a bit more freedom and comfort, house and pet sitting is where it's at.
Okay, so break it down for me.
Yeah.
How does this actually work? Are you telling me I can travel the world and stay in someone's home for free?
Yes.
What's the catch?
There is no catch.
Right.
It's truly a win-win situation.
Okay.
So homeowners need someone trustworthy to care for their pets in their home while they're away.
Sure.
And travelers get a free place to stay in exchange for some basic responsibilities.
Okay.
It's like a cultural exchange program with furry friends.
I'm intrigued.
Yes.
But I'm guessing there's more to it than just showing up and cuddling with a cute dog.
There's a bit more to it than that.
Okay.
Yeah. So you create a profile on a house sitting platform,
Uh-huh.
and you highlight your experience and your interests,
Okay.
and you browse listings that match your travel desires.
Got it.
You find a good fit, you connect with the homeowner, get all the details, and if everybody's happy, you're off on your adventure.
So let's say I want to spend a month exploring the Italian countryside.
Okay.
Could I really find someone willing to let me live in their Tuscan villa
Yes.
just for looking after their cat? Where are houses all over the world,
Okay.
from cozy apartments in bustling cities to sprawling estates in remote locations.
Wow.
You just have to find what speaks to you.
Okay.
And remember, these homeowners are often travelers themselves,
Right.
so they get the peace of mind knowing that their home and pets are well cared for
Right.
while they're off on their own adventures.
I love the idea of connecting with people who share that passion for travel.
Yes.
But how do I even find these amazing house sitting opportunities?
Okay.
Is there like a secret society of globetrotters I need to join?
Not quite a secret society,
Oh.
but there are platforms specifically for this.
No.
And one stands out for international travel. Trusted House Sitters.
Crusted House Sitters.
Yeah.
That name rings a bell. I think I've seen their ads.
Yeah, they're pretty popular, especially for international travel.
Okay.
They have a massive network of listings. We're talking over 130 countries.
Wow.
So whether you're dreaming of Parisian apartments,
Cozy English cottages or beachfront villas in Bali,
okay,
chances are they got something that will make your wanderlust sing.
okay, that's a lot of options.
It is.
But how do I know I can trust these people?
Mm-hmm.
Letting a stranger stay in my home would make me a little nervous,
I hear ya. I hear ya.
to be honest.
Well, that's why Trusted House Sitters has a pretty robust vetting process.
Okay.
So both homeowners and sitters go through verification steps.
Okay.
They check references, do background checks, that sort of thing.
So it's not just anybody can sign up.
Right. And plus, there's a whole review system, so you can see
Uh-huh.
what other users have experienced.
So it's like a community that holds each other accountable.
Yes, exactly.
I like that.
Yeah.
But let's get down to brass tacks.
Okay.
How much does it cost to join this jet-setting, pet-loving club?
All right. So they have different membership options,
Okay.
but the annual membership is super reasonable. It
Mhm.
works out to less than $10 a month.
$10 a month
Less than $10 a month.
to potentially travel the world.
Uh-huh. And think of all the money you're saving on hotels.
That's true.
It's a pretty sweet deal.
I'm starting to see why people are raving about this.
Yes.
But I have to admit, I'm still picturing myself lost in the Tuscan countryside,
Okay.
trying to figure out how to operate an Italian espresso machine,
Uh-huh.
while a very demanding cat judges my every move.
Well, that's where the beauty of the platform comes in.
Okay.
You get to connect with the homeowners beforehand.
Okay.
Ask all those burning questions and make sure it's a good fit.
Right.
They'll walk you through everything.
Okay.
How to care for their pets, any quirks of their home,
Right.
local recommendations.
Wow.
It's like having a personal travel guide built right in.
Okay, I'm getting less intimidated and more excited by the minute.
Good.
So paint me a picture. What does a typical day look like as a house sitter?
Right.
Am I constantly cleaning and picking up dog poop? Or do I actually get to enjoy myself?
It's definitely more vacation than shore.
Okay, good.
Of course, you have responsibilities feeding pets, walking them, maybe watering some plants.
Right.
But you also have plenty of free time to explore, relax, and soak in your surroundings.
Okay.
It's about finding that balance.
And since we're talking about balance, let's address the elephant in the room.
Okay.
Work?
Yeah.
How do people manage to work while house sitting?
Right.
Isn't it all about lounging by the pool with a fluffy companion?
Well, some lucky folks might be living that dream.
Right.
But for most of us, work is still a reality.
Yeah.
That's where the beauty of remote work comes in.
Okay.
If you can work from anywhere with an internet connection,
Right.
you can house sit and travel to your heart's content.
I'm seeing a theme here.
Yeah.
Flexibility is key,
Flexibility is key.
but not everyone has a remote job.
Right.
What about people who are still tied to a traditional office?
Well, there are ways to make it work.
Okay.
Some people negotiate remote work arrangements with their current employers. Others use house sitting as an opportunity to take extended breaks between jobs or during sabbaticals.
Okay.
And of course, there's always the option of freelancing
Sure.
or starting your own online business to temper location independence.
So it's about getting creative and finding what works for you.
Exactly.
I love that this opens up possibilities for people from all walks of life,
Yes.
not just digital nomads.
Right.
But let's shift gears for a moment.
Okay.
You mentioned that homeowners often share local tips and recommendations.
Yes.
What kind of insider knowledge are we talking about here?
Oh, it's gold.
Okay.
Think hidden gems off the beaten path.
Okay.
That cozy family-run trattoria with the best pasta in town.
Oh, yeah.
The secret hiking trail with breathtaking views.
Hey, Bob.
Or the local market where you can score unique souvenirs.
Nice.
These are the kinds of experiences you won't find in any guidebook.
And those are the kinds of experiences that make travel truly special, right?
Yes.
It's about going beyond the tourist facade and really connecting with a place on a deeper level.
Exactly. It's about slow travel, mindful travel, and embracing the local way of life.
Okay.
And honestly, who better to guide you than the people who call that place home?
I think that's a great place to pause for a moment.
Okay.
We've covered a lot of ground so far,
We have.
from the basics of house sitting to the types of people who thrive in this lifestyle.
Yes,
But there's still so much more to explore.
there is.
So we were talking about how there's more to house sitting than just free accommodations.
Yeah,
There's a deeper impact.
definitely.
I have a feeling this is more than just like ticking off tourist attractions.
Right?
This is about embracing a new place, a new pace of life.
Absolutely. House sitting is a gateway to a different kind of travel experience.
It's like hitting the pause button
Yes.
on the whirlwind of everyday life
Right.
and immersing yourself in a different culture.
Precisely.
So like,
Imagine waking up in a charming Parisian apartment, strolling to the local boulangerie for fresh croissants,
okay.
and then spending the afternoon exploring hidden courtyards and charming cafes, all with a furry companion by your side.
Okay. Beyond the romantic imagery,
Yeah.
I'm sensing there's a deeper personal transformation that can happen.
Yeah, there definitely is. When you slow down and live like a local, even temporarily,
Right.
you open yourself up to new perspectives, new ways of seeing the world.
New ways of being.
Yeah, you might discover hidden passions, connect with nature in a new way, or simply find a renewed sense of peace and tranquility.
It's like stepping off the treadmill of life
Yeah,
and rediscovering what truly matters.
absolutely.
And I imagine those connections with homeowners and their pets add another layer of richness.
Oh, for sure. You're not just staying in a sterile hotel room. You're becoming part of a community, however fleeting.
Right.
Sharing meals with your hosts, learning about their lives, and caring for their beloved pets creates a unique bond that goes beyond a typical travel encounter.
So house sitting's not just about the destination.
Right.
It's about the journey, the connections, and the personal growth that happens along the way.
Exactly. It's a way to travel with intention, to savor each moment, and to return home feeling not just refreshed,
Yeah.
but also enriched and transformed.
So for those of us who are ready to embrace this style of travel, what advice would you give for finding that perfect house sitting opportunity?
Well, first, get clear on your travel goals and preferences.
Okay.
Are you dreaming of bustling cities, tranquil countryside, or exotic beaches?
Right.
What kind of pets are you comfortable caring for? Once you have a vision in mind, start browsing listings on trusted house sitters.
Okay.
They have a great filtering system that allows you to narrow down your search
Got it.
based on location dates, pet type, and more.
It's like having a personalized travel agent at your fingertips.
Yeah.
And I remember you mentioning a special offer for our listeners.
That's right. We have a referral link that gives you a 25% discount on a Trusted House Sitters membership. It's a fantastic opportunity to dive into the world of house sitting and start planning your dream slow travel adventure.
Well, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling inspired.
Yes.
I'm picturing myself sipping wine on a balcony overlooking the Mediterranean,
Woo.
a purring cat curled up on my lap,
Nice.
and a world of possibilities waiting to be explored.
And that's the magic of house sitting. It opens up a world of authentic, affordable, and enriching travel experiences.
Yeah.
So take that leap of faith, embrace the unknown, and who knows?
Mhm.
You might just discover a whole new way to travel, connect, and grow.
That's a beautiful note to end on.
Yeah.
Remember, the world is waiting to be explored one house sit at a time. Happy travels, everyone.
Happy travels.
In the last part, we were talking about all the insider knowledge you can get from homeowners.
Yeah. All those local tips and recommendations.
Yeah. So what happens when things go wrong during a house sit?
know.
What if the cat gets sick or like the washing machine breaks down?
Okay, first of all, deep breaths. Homeowners usually provide clear instructions on what to do in case of emergencies.
Right.
They'll often have a trusted local contact you can reach out to,
Oh.
whether it's a neighbor friend or veterinarian.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, communication is key.
Right.
Keep the homeowner informed, especially if there's an issue that needs their attention.
So it's about being responsible
Proactive.
and communicating clearly.
Exactly.
Sounds like good advice for life in general.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But let's be honest, not everyone is cut out for house sitting.
Right.
What kind of person thrives in this type of travel experience?
That's a great question. I think it takes a certain type of personality, someone who's adaptable,
Okay, yeah.
responsible, and genuinely enjoys caring for animals.
Right.
You also need to be comfortable with a bit of solitude since you'll likely be spending some time alone with the pets.
Yeah.
And of course, a love of travel and a thirst for new experiences are essential.
Yeah. It sounds like house sitting is a perfect match for like introverted animal lovers
Yeah,
who crave adventure and authentic experiences.
for sure.
But some people might still be hesitant to jump into this world.
Yeah.
What would you say to someone who's on the fence about giving house sitting a try?
I'd say don't be afraid to take the leap.
Okay.
Start by browsing listings on trusted house sitters.
Mm-hmm.
Get a feel for the platform and see what opportunities spark your interest.
Right.
You can even connect with experienced house sitters
Okay.
and ask them about their experiences.
Good idea.
And remember, you don't have to commit to a long-term sit right away.
Right.
There are plenty of shorter sits available, perfect for dipping your toes into the world of house sitting.
So if you're dreaming of ditching the 9 to 5 and really experiencing the world,
Yeah,
house and pet sitting might just be the travel hack you've been waiting for.
it could be.
Remember to check out Trusted House Sitters, and don't forget to use our referral link for a special discount.
Yes, 25% off.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of house sitting.
Absolutely.
Until next time, happy travels, everyone.
Happy